As I promised my followers on social media, today we are breaking down a specific IELTS question that is appearing more frequently. Matching sentence endings. I will show you the most effective strategy to solve this without getting confused by the options. These are the options I'm talking about that can often confuse you. Your strategy should be simple. First, read the question stem. Second, find the information in the text. And finally, come back and pick the appropriate ending. Let's start with question 31st. It says speech translation methods are developing fast in Japan. Our main keyword here is Japan. Okay. And we need to find what the text says about the status of this technology in Japan, the speech translation methods. Now, scanning the text, we find Japan in the second paragraph. The text says voice translation has really taken off in countries such as Japan with the Ringo system. So, however, look at the very next sentence, which says there is still a long way to go, though. This suggests the technology is not yet finished or flawless. Now, let's find a matching ending in our list. So, look at option C, but they are far from perfect. So, for question 31st, the answer is C. Now, moving on to question 32, which says TV interviews that use translation voiceover methods are successful. We need to find out why they are successful according to the text. So, do remember this thing that these question types are in the order sequence. So, let's read the next statement. A translation system needs to be simultaneous, like the translator's voice speaking over the foreign politician being interviewed on the TV. So, it contrasts this with other methods where you have to pause and wait. Now, let's look at the options. And here we can see that the word immediate is the closest synonym for simultaneous. Like here, the word simultaneous was written. You can see this, and it closely resemble or matches with the word immediate. So this means that option E is the correct option for question number 32. So to summarize, isolate the question stem, verify the meaning in the text, and only then match it to the option. This eliminates the distractors and improves your accuracy. Save this video for your revision.